The Indian Pickleball League Grand Finale. And as always, we'll begin with the men's singles as Hyderabad Royals are ready to take on the Mumbai Smashers. Tejas Gulati will feature in Hyderabad colours up against Guangdong. That is going to be a match for the ages.
Game, rally, fire!
तो शुरू हो गया है ये महोत्सव इंडियन पिकलबॉल लीग का फाइनल कौन बनेगा चैंपियन
Side out, point!
पहला पॉइंट गुलाटी साहब के नाम
Terrific. Tejas first went cross court and eked out the mistake from
1-0.
Guangdong's paddle.
Side out, point!
Yeah, this is the Guangdong we've come to know. Imposing on court.
1-1.
Targeting the corner of the court so many times, his precision has done the talking.
Point!
Little unlucky there. Tejas Gulati didn't. The tape didn't feature in his plan.
2-1. Point!
वॉली के लिए गए थे हल्की सी चूक पहला पॉइंट हारने के बाद 3 लगातार वार
3-1.
गुआंगडोंग के नाम
This is where Guangdong gets dangerous.
Point!
Yeah, he continues to accumulate points.
It's a very interesting decision. You get Tejas
4-1.
Gulati in, as I mentioned, only one match so far that was in tie 4 against the Mumbai Smashers. And backhand pass down the line. It was covered by Tejas. He just couldn't get it back.
Five, 1.
Comeback awaited from Hyderabad Royals.
Point!
Terrific from Guangdong. Draws Tejas forward, puts it in the backcourt.
Six, 1.
ये तो गुआंगडोंग का कमाल है ये गुआंगडोंग का कमाल है
Side out, point!
जैसी मैंने बोला सुहास कमेंटेटर्स कर्स
2-6. Point!
Tejas Gulati now on a roll. Needs to continue this deficit 3.
3-6.
Wong prepared himself to intercept that lob just at the right time. Daddy Dong, still no emotions.
Yeah, he's stoic. He's always stoic, and he's unperturbed when it comes to the singles
7-3.
matches. It's in the doubles when he gets a little more concerned. फिर से बाहर मार दी क्या है ना
Point!
सिंपल सी बात है बड़ा काम करना है ना तो बड़े शॉट मारने चाहिए
9-3.
Aim for the moon. At least he'll settle for the stars. Atish, brilliant as always.
I think you reverse that. You
Point!
aim for the stars, at least you'd reach the moon. Meanwhile, a 7-point lead, giving him and his team the perfect start
10-3.
yet again. Guangdong, as he's done throughout this tournament, yet to taste defeat, remember. Which is why I said this could be a free hit for Tejas Gulati.
Eleven, 3. Hard ball.
Oh, they continue.
Point.
Yes, Guangdong was surprised. He said, my instincts is what caused the paddle to go there, not that I wanted to hit it. Wanted to accumulate the point first.
12-3. Point. Point.
Went out yet again, and this is that domination that we've come to see and gotten used to. आदत सी पड़ गई है क्वांगडोंग को ऐसे खेलते हुए, देखते हुए.
अब तक मुस्कुराहट नहीं. 2 और पॉइंट्स का इंतजार कर रहे हैं शायद. क्वांगडोंग की जो गाड़ी है वो सिर्फ एक स्टेशन पर रुकती है, नाम है उसका टाइम आउट.
Point.
ये तो बात बिल्कुल सही है कि ये आपने, और खास तौर से क्योंकि मुंबई की बात है ये. मैच पॉइंट, not 1, not 2,
14.
but 11 of them. Oh, he's found the line.
Point.
He has found the line, Tejas Gulati.
Outstanding under pressure, great execution.
14.
The ball tastes paint.
Point. Game.
Unperturbed,
15.
undefeated, invincible Kwon-dong from match 1 till the final, giving his team the perfect start. He can do no wrong, Kwon-dong.